Hey Siri, how's the weather outside?
I can't tell your location because of your settings. Where would you like to hear the weather for?
For Adelaide.
It's currently clear and 24 degrees in Adelaide, Australia. Temperatures are heading down from 24 to 17 degrees tonight.
Hey Siri, could you turn on the news?
Here's the latest news.
ABC News.
Rachel Hayter with the top stories. Splendour in the Grass has cancelled its 2024
How's the temperature inside this room?
I'm still getting that set up. Please try again in a few minutes.
festival. The annual music
Siri.
festival in Byron.
Could you play a song from Spotify?
The app hasn't added support for that with Siri.
Byron Bay in northern New South
Hey,
Wales
Siri.
only released.
Could you play music from Apple Music?
There's nothing in your music library.
Its official lineup a fortnight ago.
Hey Siri,
Artists
play a song.
There's nothing in your music library.
Alright.
including Kylie Minogue, Future and Arcade Fire were scheduled to perform at this year's event in July. Splendour in the Grass is the latest major festival to cancel this year, with Groove and the Moo also pulling the pin only a couple of weeks after announcing its lineup. The federal government's rushed new immigration laws look